Let us find the shortest distance between the lines L1 and L2 given below. We got the first line that passes through the point I plus 2j minus 4k and in the direction of 4i plus 6j plus 12k. Let's take 2 common from this expression. When we do so, we are left out with 2i plus 3j plus 6k. The second line passes through the point 3i plus 3j minus 5k and lie in the direction of 6i plus 9j plus 18k. Let's take 3 common from the second line. When we do so, we get the direction of 2i plus 3j plus 6k. Observe that both the lines got the same direction or they are parallel. Let us write A1 equal to I plus 2j minus 4k and then A2 equal to 3i plus 3j minus 5k. Then observe that shortest distance is given by A2 minus A1 cross unit vector B, that is equal to A2 minus A1 sin theta, if theta denotes angle between A2 minus A1 and B. How do we compute it? We compute it just by finding A2 minus A1 cross B and then divide by magnitude of B and then take modulus. Now A2 minus A1 equal to 3i minus I is 2i. A2 minus A1 equal to 2i and then 3j minus 2j is j plus j minus 5k plus 4k, that is minus k. Okay, we got A2 minus A1. What about vector B? Vector B equal to 2i plus 3j plus 6k. Now let us find the cross product of A2 minus A1 with B. That we can do it using determinants. We write the coefficient of ijk for first vector, that is 2, 1, minus 1, 2, 1, minus 1, and the coefficient of ijk for second vector, that is 2, 3, 6, 2, 3, 6. Now I component is given by 6 plus 3, that is 9, so we get 9i. J component is given by 12 plus 2, that is 14, but with the negative sign, so minus 14j. K component is given by 6 minus 2, that is 4k. Okay, we got A2 minus A1 cross B. Now let us find magnitude of B. Magnitude of B equal to square root of 2 square plus 3 square plus 6 square. 2 square plus 3 square plus 6 square, that's equal to square root of 4 plus 9 plus 36, that is square root of 49, that is 7. Lastly, SD or the shortest distance is given by A2 minus A1 cross B divided by magnitude of B, and that's equal to square root of 9 square, that's 81, plus 14 square, that's 196, plus 4 square, that's 16, divided by magnitude of B, and magnitude of B is equal to 7. Lastly, that's equal to square root of 293 by 7 units.